So guys, this is how it looks now that it's installed. Hi my friends, welcome back to another unboxing and show and tell video. Today we're looking over this wireless doorbell, smart video doorbell. As we open the box, it has Wi-Fi, full HD, motion sensor. You can use it with a mobile app, weatherproof, day and night, two-way talk, battery powered. So there shouldn't be no wiring, which is huge. Okay, they give you a manual, little business card, little security decal. We'll get to the camera itself. Now this, let's see, probably battery operated. Okay, so yeah, this is battery operated. It looks like they actually do give you the batteries. Let's see, I'm looking to see if they're rechargeable or not. But you could put rechargeable batteries in here and then power it with a USB cable. But it's nice that they give you batteries. I don't know if these are rechargeable batteries, so confirm that before you would go that route. Power cable, screwdriver. Okay, this is what it looks like. I love how it has this little sheath which protects it, but also makes it easy for mounting. You just line this up, put 2 screws in, place this right in there, and you're good to go. Like, I love that. The charging cable is going to be for this, so you're going to charge this with the cable. For these batteries, I recommend replacing these and getting rechargeable batteries, because then you can actually charge them with a cable as well. Or you could just simply use the batteries they provide you and just keep doing that. This is just the Chime, so this is the actual camera. And they would just press the doorbell and it would ring. And you got your camera right there. Obviously, we probably have to turn it on and reset everything and go through there. And which we will do that. But I love this. I love the sleek design of it. Inside here is going to be your reset, your on off switch, and also a TF card slot. So you're going to want to place your TF card. I didn't see any, so I don't think they provide you with a TF card. But if you guys are wondering what a TF card is, it's just these really small micro memory cards. And you can pick them up on Amazon. Let's see, let's go with this. Well, I recommend probably 32 gigabyte at the smallest. And of course, we'll go ahead and slide this to the on position. You'll want to pair it with your app if you're going to use the app. I don't believe you have to use the app. Okay, so this rings. There we go. So it seems like when you select the different ringtone, it actually saves it. That's actually amazing. They make this so easy. You just simply press here, there's your volume, and there's your setting. You can refer to your manual for more information. Okay, we're gonna go with that one. Okay, there we go. Now it's blinking. I wonder if it probably needs charged up. You probably should charge it up the whole way, but so far I'm loving it.